Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to talk about Timmy Tee. I'm going to be doing a review on what I think about Timmy Tee and did it work. They sent me a package that was really nice. It was packaged well. It had Timmy Skinny, and as you can see I only have this little bit left here, enough for about 3 days of drinking tea. Because I've been using it for almost a month now. I'm on day 27, 28, somewhere in there. And then it has Timmy colon. And this has 2 bags left because I have 2 nights to drink this. And the Skinny and the colon, and then they send a bottle. This is a nice bottle, but I like to drink my tea in a cup. Hot tea in a cup, cold, I would drink it this way on the go, but I like it this way. And I'm drinking the colon now. That's something that I've got 2 more nights after this one. This little cup comes with a sippy, I call them sippy cups because that's what it looks like. And then you've got a strainer so it keeps the teas, any of the leaves or stuff, from getting into your mouth, which I thought that was pretty cool. And this, I'm thinking if you put your tea in here and refrigerated it or froze it and then stuck it in here, it's double insulated, your hand doesn't get cold or it doesn't get hot, whichever way you drink it. And it's an awesome little cup. I've used it only once because, like I said, I prefer my tea in a cup. So, Timmy Tee in a cup is the way I go. The taste. The taste of Timmy, both the Skinny and the colon, is great. I like the taste of both of them, but I'm a tea lover. Now, I like most any kind of tea. And so both of them I like the taste of. They send you a card, and on the card it has each day, for 30 days, what you're supposed to drink. The first day you do a cup of the Skinny. You can do up to 3 cups of the Skinny if you want to per day. But 1 cup in the morning, usually before breakfast. And I tried to drink mine before or with breakfast, something like that. Some days I would drink 2 to 3 cups of the Skinny a day. Every other day at night, you drink 1 cup of the colon. And we're going to get to why in a few minutes. And you have this chart, so I marked it every day, what I drank and stuff like that, to keep up with it, what day I'm on. And to be really honest, I started mine on the 1st so that I knew if today's the 28th, I can look down here and I'm going, oh, today's the 28th. You know, I had to be religious. When I made my cup, I marked my chart and I checked every day because I am one that really can get lost easily. So the chart came in wonderful and handy to keep me on track. And let's talk a little bit about what's in the Timmy Tee. For this, I'm going to need my notes, okay? In the Skinny is oolong tea for sharpening your thinking skills, and it improves mental awareness, okay? I looked all these up because I wanted to know before I started what I was drinking. Yerba mate. Lots of people are substituting yerba mate for coffee. It's an antioxidant powerhouse. It helps for alertness, again, boosting energy to help you feel less tired than the coffee. So yerba mate is something that a lot of people are using instead of coffee. I don't know how to say this one, but it's Jiaogulan. And it's for energy and endurance. It's called the poor man's ginseng. So ginseng is for energy, of course. Lotus leaf helps with the stomach. Lime leaf is a nerve tonic. It helps with everything, respiratory, colds, everything. And then you have ginger root, which again, for the nausea, the loss of appetite, motion sickness, pain. Ginger is just all around great for the stomach anyway. So the last one is the rhubarb root, which is for digestive issues. So the Skinny is supposed to be helping you to refurbish your body, anything that the colon cleanses out, okay? And so if you did not know, Timmy Tees, the Skinny and the Cleanse is a cleanse. I looked at several reviews. People were saying it sent me running to the toilet. Okay, what part of cleanse do you not understand? When you cleanse your body, you are going to be going to the toilet, right? Okay, so the cleanse part has senna. Senna is a laxative. Read the ingredients. Senna, you're going to the bathroom. Plain and simple. Then you have psyllium husk, which is like a broom. It sweeps your insides out and it pulls all the yucky stuff that's collected out. Then you have hawthorn, which is good for the heart. The lime and the lotus and the rhubarb that's in the other one you have in this one. Valerian. That is for anxiety, to calm you down. Then it's something else that I can't pronounce, but I looked it up because I needed to know what it was. Adzuki beans or rice beans. So you're using the seeds, which would be the beans, for helping your body to secrete out anything that like fluids and to eliminate bloating and things like that. So those are what is in the Timmy Tee. Let's talk about, did it work? Okay, number one, Timmy only asked that I drink the teas for 8 days and do a review. I did not do that. I wanted to go the full 30, which I like 3 days. Okay, I'm almost there, but I went long enough to tell you whether it worked or did not work for me. And like I said, the teas were great. I enjoyed them, but this is what the deal is. With Teami, they did not tell me to go on a diet. They did not tell me to restrict any foods or anything like that. So I didn't. I ate just like I usually eat all day long, every day. Whatever I normally ate, I kept eating. I did not stop eating anything, and I did not add anything into it except for the teas. So that was one thing with me. If I was going to go on a full cleanse and do it the right way, I would have eliminated a lot of things from my diet and did it that way. That should have been a restriction, but in the instructions, it does not tell you that. So I did exactly what they said. I just added it to my diet. So did I get any skinnier drinking the Skinny and the Cleanse teas from Teami? Well, I got on the scales a while ago and I measured. And guess what? I still weigh what I weighed a month ago. I still measured what I measured a month ago. Same measurement, same weight. I did not lose any weight, really didn't gain any weight, but I drank the tea. Now, I did do the cleanse. I went to the bathroom. I mean, it does cleanse, promise you. Cleanse means cleanse. After drinking the colon tea, be close to a bathroom the next morning. To me, I didn't lose weight. It's a nice tea. I enjoyed it. But in 1 month, you are not going to lose weight unless you go on a strict diet, lots of exercise, and drink Timmy Tee. So thank you, Timmy, for the tea. It tastes great, but I didn't lose any weight. Thank you from Crazy Days.